So this is like the aftermath of everything. I also did get this here. I'm gonna open it up though in a minute. I just can't figure out how to open the side door on my new GoPro. We'll figure it out. Alright, so I just figured out finally how to open this door. We're gonna get a charger going, because we did get this. We got this double charger pack. It was like 20 bucks. This was like a whole combo. It was like $400 total with the GoPro, the charger pack, and then I got a SD card for it. So we're gonna get all the chargers going, and then we're gonna create some sort of footage for you guys. I heard that this is the best GoPro out there. I heard the stabilized footage is amazing. So we're gonna be testing everything on it. Everything. And then at the end of the video, if you're like, dude, I wanna get one, there's gonna be a link down below. So you guys, if you guys wanna get one, it'll be there. I'm not trying to push you to it or anything like that. We're just gonna see if this is the best bang for the buck. Because there's a lot of cameras for like $400, especially nowadays. So let's try to see if this is actually worth the price point. Alright, so as you guys can see, I just got this open, and this is where the SD card goes in. Literally right in there. So we're gonna get this like looking good. I gotta still take off this. Oh, that is nice. One thing that I noticed actually about this camera too is the weight. It is a lot lighter than the Hero 5. That was the last one that I actually had, was the GoPro Hero 5. So this is 3 steps up from it. And I like how, look, they have audio. They have front-facing audio. They didn't have that last time. I think they just had a couple things up on top. But that looks a lot better. I'm excited to see it. All right, so actually, let's get the SD card in there and then get some footage rolling and charge it. So it looks like this is how you open it. You push this thing down and you open it up that way. So if you guys, it goes in and then like that, I believe is how you close it. I think when you see the red, that means don't do it. Don't do anything crazy. So it's like that, guys. That's how it looks. All charged up. But we also got to set this up, so we're gonna just click English, agree, sure. Oh, and then we're gonna get this thing going, and then we'll just see you guys when we're outside. All right, so we're gonna go outside and we're gonna test the new GoPro. We're gonna check the stabilized footage and really how well it performs in low light, because we all know GoPros aren't the best for that. So we're gonna really test this one. We're gonna see everything about it. Let's go. Oh, and I'm gonna bring my other camera, the G9X, just so we can kind of compare. All right, so we're gonna test the stabilized footage on the G9X and then the GoPro, so you guys can kind of compare them. We're gonna just go for like a jog, like a 2-second jog, maybe, I don't know, maybe like 20 or 30 feet, so you guys can see the difference. So this is on the Canon G9X. And then we're gonna go the GoPro with the hyper smooth on. So let's just jog. So I'm sure it's pretty bumpy. All right, so let's turn around. It's super wet out, but so I'm sure it's super messed up. And we're gonna go with the GoPro Hero 8 right now. All right, so this is the first look with the new GoPro Hero 8. Let's just go for the same jog, same distance, and hopefully it's not super bumpy. Let's go. So I'm also curious about the new microphone. I bet it gets a lot better because of the front facing and how it's actually really close. But yeah, so that is it. All right, now the next thing I want to test is the warp time lapse. So here is me doing it right now. All right, so the next thing I want to do here is do like a jump test so you guys can see it, but I'm going to be filming on this. So here it is, the first jump test. I know it's going to be bumpy, but I don't want it to be like too bumpy, I guess, if that makes sense. So I don't know how well that turned out. We're gonna go and see if this thing's really worth it. So there's a ton of cool things about this too that I actually really like. They improved the audio, and then you can either purchase or be on the wait list to get the flip up screen. So that's another cool perk that they have coming out. Overall, we're gonna actually see how it looks, and I'm gonna rate it once I see the footage on my computer, in the edit, and everything. So let's go see how it looks. All right, so I had literally just got done looking at all the footage and kind of editing it up. It looks pretty good. It looks good for a $400 action camera, 4K, 1080p. Not too bad, GoPro. Not too bad.